Amazon's search engine algorithm, so the algorithm that Amazon uses to decide where a product is going to show up in the search results. So let's just do a search for a product, fluffy toys. So one of the things that plays a big part in the search engine results page, so where things rank on this particular page, the SERPs, one of the things that really matters is, are you using FBA? So because of that, my advice will always be to use FBA, because oftentimes FBA will give you windfall sales. So it is entirely possible that one of the reasons you're only making a few sales a week is because you're not using FBA. Because given that the search volume is there, if you want to rank on Amazon in the search on the SERPs page, then using FBA is absolutely going to give you an advantage. Absolutely. And that is something that we have tested the hell out of. If you want to find out more about that and also about that, then that is my book all about SEO on Amazon. And I go into great detail about what's called the A9. Amazon's got an algorithm it uses called the A9 algorithm, and I go into great detail about the search algorithm, the way that it works, and why it's so important to do certain things to rank well on Amazon. So that would be a good investment. However, as it pertains to you, John, I would definitely use FBA. Definitely. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.